How to log in to your MyHTSpace account. Welcome back everyone to this new video of 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple process of logging in to the account of MyHTSpace. So make sure you keep watching this video until the end to exactly know how you can log in. Search for myhtspace.org on the search bar of your web browser and it's going to take you to its official website. Now, if you are an employee trying to log into your employee account, you need to search for myhtspace.com instead of .org. And it's going to take you to the section of employee login. So in this section, if you are an employee, type in your username in the first box and type in the password in the second box. You can also recover your details if you have forgotten them by clicking on Forgot Your Username or your password. Once you fill in both of these information, click on Login and you'll be logged in to your employee or the benefits account of MyHTSpace. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we upload. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.